This is a $20 vibration damper from Quadlock, and it can save your $1,000 smartphone from some serious damage. Unfortunately for me, I found this a little bit too late. I have received my Quadlock system a couple of weeks ago, and I was so excited to make a video about handlebar mount. I did not install vibration damper, although I have it sitting on my desk. Big fucking mistake. And now my iPhone camera does this. Yep, as you can see, camera is blurry and pulsating all the time. Video is not usable, and all that clicking noise you hear is just optical stabilization trying to work, but it is totally fucked. If you don't know what is optical stabilization on smartphone, I will fill you in. Stabilization is small motor around your camera sensor, and it's trying to reduce the shake of your hands when you are filming a video. And that system will be destroyed if you don't use vibration damper. Have in mind, this happens only after few rides, so if you have an iPhone or any other flagship phone, do not use, and I repeat, do not use without vibration damper, or your camera is toast. I have called the repair shop and they are asking €100 to change camera modules on my iPhone 11 Pro. So you do the maths, €100 for repairing your phone or €20 for vibration damper and avoiding all this mess. It is no-brainer. So what is actually vibration damper? People from Quadlock had done extensive research and they settled on this design. Basically, it's two platforms connected with 3 rubber grommets. Simple but very effective design. Documents from Quadlock say the damper eliminates up to 90% of dangerous high-frequency vibrations. They even have a blacklist of YB bikes, and my S1000 single R is on top of that list. Unfortunately for me, I found this a bit too late. Fuck! Basically, any single or twin cylinder bike and couple of inline BMWs are especially dangerous to your phone. Install of a damper is fairly simple. Remove phone attachment point, put vibration damper and screw back phone attachment point. That is it. Testing the damper really shows that it does its job fairly good. You see phone moves, but high frequency vibrations are gone. So point of this whole story is don't be stupid like me. Put this part on your bike and save your phone. For me, it is too late. Thank you for your time and I hope you've seen this video before you have done something really stupid. Stay safe and I will see you on the next one. Cheers!